Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Wipe the area with a microfiber cloth and a 50/50 water isopropyl mix, then dry it so you see the scratch clearly. Once dry, determine the metal grain direction by looking closely and run your fingertip along it. You must work with the grain, not across. Next, pick a white nylon pad or 1200-1500 grit sandpaper for a gentle first pass and test in an inconspicuous corner so you confirm the finish will match. Now you refine. Apply light, even pressure and move exclusively along the grain in short, controlled strokes. Quick, heavy scrubbing will make things worse. Make sure to check your work every 10 to 15 strokes by wiping residue with a clean microfiber so you can see the result and avoid overworking the area. If the mark softens but is still visible, switch to 2000 grit or a finer pad and prepare a small amount of metal polish for the next stage to restore sheen. To finish, put a pea-sized drop of metal polish on a soft cloth and rub in small circular motions. Then blend the polish by lightly stroking with the grain until the shine matches. Once satisfied, remove excess and apply a thin coat of appliance oil or paste wax to protect the area and reduce future visibility. If the scratch remains deep after these steps, stop. Make sure not to oversand and consider professional buffing or replacing the panel as the sensible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.